Raise your hand if you're a Titanic fan. I'm a die-hard Titanic fan, and what better way is to decorate a Titanic cake around their 106th anniversary. So as you can see, I've already carved out this cake into the ship. What I did was I used 9x13 cake pan, and then I cut them lengthwise and stacked them up to make it look like a ship. I put another top, the front and the back of the ship to make it look like the bow and the stern. So now I'm going to start with the black frosting on the bottom of the ship. So now we're going to do the white part. So now I'm going to cover the entire part of this cake right here to create like a floor of the ship. Now I'm going to pipe a golden yellow color around the part over here because that resembles the Titanic. So now I'm going to, just these two right here, I'm going to pipe a little border. Now we're gonna do the red for the bottom of the black part. So now we're gonna do the yellow window on the black part, and then I'm gonna do the black window for the white part around the cake. Okay, so now we're going to put the funnel on the top of the Titanic. And there's a little fun fact that did you know that the Titanic only used 3 funnels and they used the 4th one as a dummy because they wanted to make it look more grand. What I did was I used a snack cake, and then I frosted it in yellow. Then I dipped it in melted chocolate and I refrigerated it so that it's stuck. I did 4 of them. I'm going to stick each one down until this. And then Titanic also had masks there where the lifeguards, not the lifeguards, just the lifeguards. That's how they found out about the iceberg, and they were actually here. So I'm gonna attach it right here, and one right here. So the best part is riding the Titanic on the ship. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any requests, don't forget to comment below and I'll be sure to make it happen. Thank you. See you in the next one.